Hey everyone, here I received my new microphone, Lark A1. I'm gonna open it up and look what I got in this box. Let's do it together. This is the box and its size. Inside I have the after sale card. What is here? This is the bag. This is the bag to hold my microphone. This is gonna be receiver. This is a receiver, right? Yeah. Here I have two transmitters. Two microphones. This is where I'm gonna charge them. And this, what it looks like in my hands. Let's see, it should be a magnet here. Yes, it is. Pretty strong. Actually, it's very strong. Nice. The charging cable, I suppose. Yep, this is a charging cable, USB-C, USB-A. And here, yes, here is my wind protector. Now it's on. This is the second one. So this is what I have here. And here is what you can expect to see in this box. My next step will be connecting this microphone to the phone and try to use them here in the room and outdoors.